Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X3 versus the Audi Q3 Sportback. Let's start by looking at their performance. The BMW X3 generally offers more robust engine choices, with its top-tier M50 model boasting 393 horsepower. In contrast, the Audi Q3 Sportback typically comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing around 190 horsepower. This difference means the X3 M50 delivers quicker acceleration, making it a more spirited drive for enthusiasts. Moving inside, both vehicles offer luxurious cabins, but with distinct philosophies. The BMW X3 generally provides more generous passenger and cargo room, making it a better choice for families or longer trips. The Audi Q3 Sportback, while smaller, counters with a very modern and driver-centric cockpit, featuring advanced digital displays. Both cars boast premium materials and sophisticated infotainment, with the X3's iDrive and the Q3 Sportback's MMI touch systems offering intuitive controls. When it comes to the driving experience, the BMW X3 is often praised for its sporty handling and engaging dynamics, offering a more connected feel to the road. The Audi Q3 Sportback, on the other hand, provides a smoother, more comfortable ride, which is ideal for city commuting and daily errands. For practicality, the X3 offers approximately 31.5 cubic feet of cargo space, while the Q3 Sportback provides about 18.7 cubic feet, giving the X3 an edge in utility. Finally, let's consider value. The BMW X3 generally comes with a higher starting price point, around $51,125, compared to the Audi Q3 Sportback, which starts closer to $41,095. Both brands are known for their strong resale value and offer comprehensive warranty packages, providing peace of mind. For those prioritizing performance and interior space, the X3 is a strong contender. If style, urban agility, and a slightly lower entry cost are more important, the Q3 Sportback shines. Also, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.